Welcome everyone, it's Glacier Guy, Rocket Glacier, as always, doing some more Odyssey blocks. Let's just kind of get into it. Let's see what we got. Move those packs over there. All right. Last week was pretty uneventful, I'm not gonna lie. But what are we gonna get today? We got Rights of Refusal, Simplify, target player second. Oh, okay. Overeager Apprentice, Kurtar's Desire, the Hall, what is it? Halberdier. Oh my God. I'm so bad at words. Yes, Halberdier. I was like trying to sound it a different way. Scorching Missile. That's pretty cool. Dematerialize. Refresh. Refresh is actually not too bad. Repel. Put target creature on top. Okay. Diligent Farmhands. Second Thoughts. First uncommon. Infected Vermin. And then we got Twigwalker, Screams of the Dam. Screams of the Dam, what's this do? I haven't seen this in okay, so we got 5 mana. 2, remove a card from your graveyard from the game set. Deals 1 okay. And our rare is Mystic Crusader. Mystic Crusader. Protection from black and from red. Threshold, if you have threshold, it gets 1/1 and flying. Alright, cool. Okay, let's move on. Let us move on from this adventure to Torment, the pack everybody wants to see. I've opened quite a lot of Torments and still have yet to get the uncommon Cabal Coffers. So we're gonna have an entire box without any. I don't know. Edity, we got the Fiend, Lancer, Spirit Flare, Torturer. Oh, Fire Wanderings, there we go. Cephalid Snitch, Purification, Unhinged, the Enslaved Dwarf, the Searching. All right, we get to the uncommons. We got Bone Shard Slasher, Carrion Worm, and it's not the uncommon we want. Tainted Wood. It's not a bad Tainted Wood. I like the art, I really do, but it's definitely not the uncommon land we want. And our rare is Refracted Image. Reveal a card in your hand, then put the card into play if it has the same name as a permanent in play. So not good in Commander, unless it's a land. Reveal a card in your hand, and then put that card into play. Yeah, you can do this for land. Yeah, I guess it's Blue Land Ramp if you have it already in your hands. That's extremely narrow. All right, let's not mess around. What do we got in Judgment? Not a lot going on in Judgment that I remember. Not a lot of value, at least. I should look at the value. All right. We got the Swarm Snapper. Ooh, he's taking that bat. Swelter. Swelter is always sad to look at. Firecat Blitz and Sutured Ghoul. All right. Rare Zombie. Trample. As it comes into play, remove any number of creature cards in your graveyard from the game. Its power is equal to the total power of the removed cards, and its toughness is equal to the total toughness of the removed cards. So this could be pretty big. All right, let's see if we got any other stuff. We got Sun Strength, Leave Stray, Believe. No. Oh, Rat Feast. That looks nice. Yeah, the Warthog. All right, keep watch. Cool. So I'm going to see how much value we have in these packs. So I didn't think it was possible, ladies and gentlemen, but we made less money. Well, no, I knew it was completely possible because, this is old packs. A lot of stuff in here not worth a ton of value. But we made less this week than we did last week. 284. That's pretty sad. But anyways, let's keep soldiering on. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good day. Goodbye.